And then I'm going to do B. Then I'm going to do 70, A, and B. All right, y'all ready? This will teach you, and you want to go back and watch this again. I'll have it on YouTube tonight. Okay, we'll come in with the election results. You ready? Super B Productions, here we go. Take 1,432. This is crisscross applesauce, making ionic compounds. Crisscross applesauce. So we're looking at it number 68A on page 216 in your textbook, and we have barium and bromine. Now, in order to make an ionic compound, you have to have a metal on the left, non-metal on the right. In other words, a cation and an anion. That's the only way you can have an ionic compound. So what you do for crisscross applesauce to make an ionic compound, you put the charge at the top. Barium, the charge is 2+ because it's in 2A. And bromine is what, Herb? Because it's in 7A.
Who?
Bromine.
What about it?
What's the charge? It's in 7.
Negative.
Good. It's a negative because you need 1 electron to make 8. A -1 or a 1 negative are understood. So that 1 goes here. Criss, cross, 2 goes there. You have Ba1, which is understood. Br2. Done. That's all there is to it. Crisscross applesauce. You crisscross the charges. That's all you do. You just crisscross them. Criss, cross, and there you go. Now, let's see if we get it. Let's try B, where we have aluminum, 3+. Again, this is on page 216 in your textbook, which I sent you on Remind. And sulfur, which is 2-. And we're going to do crisscross applesauce, nice and easy. So that 3 is going to criss over to sulfur, and the 2 is going to criss over to aluminum. So now you crisscross applesauce, the number, not the charge, Al2S3. And there is your ionic compound. It is that simple. You take the charges off. You just do the numbers. Just change the numbers. That's it. That's what you call making an ionic compound with the crisscross applesauce method. Thank you very much. And you can see that this ionic compound is neutral because you have 2 times 3+ gives you a 6+. And on the other side, you have 3 times the 2-, which gives you a 6-, and that gives you a charge net of 0. Your ionic compound will always have a 0 net charge. Now, there's one little caveat on this great video here. Thanks, Ivan, for being my videographer today. We're going to look at 70A and 70B. And here, actually, we're going to look at 70B. 70B. And that is lead 4 plus oxygen 2-. Now we got the crisscross applesauce method down pat. It's nice and easy. That 4 is going to move over to the oxygen. Criss. The 2 is going to move over here, cross applesauce, and you have PB2O4. Now here's the caveat. The ionic compound has to be reduced to the simplest form. So if we reduce PB2O4 to the simplest form, just like math, it's going to be PbO2. There you go. You divide 2 into both factors, So you have PbO2, and one is understood. Done. That's the caveat. They always have to be reduced. So both of those were 2s, it reduced to 1. Both of those were 3s, it reduced to 1. Nice and simple. So that's a crisscross applesauce with the caveat. Enjoy your day.